Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a double column chart in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to make a double column chart. At first, select some data. Now I am select data. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the insert menu. Select the chart drop down menu and we can see here many chart option. Now I am select this chart. Now we can see here many text or chart series area etc. Now we want to make this chart another. Select layout, click the add element option. You can add any option like add series line or add another thing. Added the legend of the right corner of the center or another. You can add the grid line primary or more than. You can add the data level of the data table. Otherwise you can change the layout of the chart. You can change the color of or the style of this chart easily. Now we can see we create a double column chart in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.